Well, if you are planning on having a holiday gathering, the Southern Nevada Health District wants you to follow certain guidelines to celebrate safely. And 13 Action News reporter Astrid Mendez shows us what you can do to keep your family safe.
Exchanging gifts, sharing plates, and joining hands in prayer are actions that could put you and your family at risk this holiday season.
It's going to be a very challenging holiday for everybody. It is going to be very unusual.
While the Southern Nevada Health District still recommends you celebrate with only members of your immediate household, there are several steps you can take to prevent having COVID-19 as a guest in your house, besides wearing a face mask.
Given that, things are not looking that good right now with our numbers, it's all the more reason for people to really hunker down and follow these guidelines. For their own protection and the protection of others.
For example, don't sit together people of different households. Stay at least 6 feet apart from people who live in a different household. If you're sharing a meal, have one person serve the food and use single-use options like plastic utensils and paper napkins. In the bathroom, have paper towels for guests after they wash their hands.
Another option for some will be to have an outdoor gathering, but if you're having it inside, open up the windows and even consider using hand gloves so that way you can handle properly packages, beverages, and food, just like they do at the resorts.
Dr. Jeffrey Ng says even your attire might look different this time.
And you know what, this may not be super personable. I look like, some kind of Star Wars guy, whatever, but the Mandalorian. But you know what? That's the way, this is what it's going to have to be.
And if for some reason you think you might have been exposed, or you're waiting for your COVID-19 test results, or you actually have the virus, you're urged to stay home.
Be upfront and just say, you know what, I'm not going to attend, and I think that if it really comes down to people who are safe and they wear masks and they wash their hands, you've done the best you can. There's nothing really much you could do.
Astrid Mendez, 13 Action News.